Hey guys, it's Mr. Tear Apart, and with the impending release of Fallout 76, I figured it was prime time to finally open an accessory that I purchased a few weeks ago that I've been dying to open, so I figured today was as good a day as any to get that done. First, let me start off by saying that I'm a huge Fallout fan. I played pretty much every Fallout game. My favorite games are probably Fallout 3 and New Vegas. Fallout 4 I really liked at the beginning, but then the dialogue issue became a huge issue for me. I realized that no matter what I did, the game kind of followed the same storyline, as I'm sure many of you know. And now Fallout 76 is coming out. I am eager to play it, but I also have some reservations about the lack of NPCs. One of the things that I like about the Fallout games is to be able to get lost in the wasteland. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I guess time will tell. And I do plan to release a review of that game, so make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you guys stick to the end of this video, I am also going to show you my Fallout collection. I am very proud of my collection, and let's get right to this because I really have been waiting for a really long time to do this. So, I don't know if you guys have noticed, maybe with the stuff that you can see in the background and whatnot, but I like playing, when I play RPG games, I like using Xbox One controllers. The Xbox One controllers have Bluetooth capabilities, and they allow for you to pretty much connect instantaneously to a Windows 10 PC. This is really cool. So, with these Xbox One controllers, I've never really had a holder or anything to kind of hold them in place. They're kind of just like laying around the desk. And I saw this online, and I just pretty much had to have it. It is a Vault Boy, specifically a Fallout 76 Vault Boy Xbox One holder. Let's see. So it says it's a phone and controller holder. Hold your device whilst charging. And it brings a 2-meter cable included. So let's take a look at that. Looks like... Alright, so yep, here's the 2-meter, which I think is about 6 feet USB cable. I use rechargeable batteries for my controllers. I don't know if I'll be able to charge them with this. I normally just put them like my battery charger, charge them for a few hours, and I'm good for several weeks or several days at least. So I don't know if I'll be using this, but I guess it's neat that it brings this. 6 feet, I think it is. 2 meters. Yeah, I'm not great at this, but I'm pretty sure it's about 6 feet. So yeah, I mean, if I don't use it for this, I'm sure I'll find some other use for it. And here we go. Nice. Wow. So there was 2 versions of this Vault Boy online that I saw. There was just a regular one that had no vault number in the back. I think it was just all blue. And then there's this one with Fallout 76, Vault 76. So definitely very eager to get that. My main concern when I ordered it, though, was the size. I didn't know if it was going to be large enough for an Xbox One controller. And let me just say, I mean, it feels very hefty, but Xbox One controllers are also kind of heavy, so moment of truth. Let's see if this works. And it works. So I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but the Vault Boy is kind of holding the Xbox One controller with his chin in his hands. And yeah, this is actually pretty sturdy. I mean, this is something that you can definitely display like on your desk. I personally probably will put it on top of my computer case, or maybe near the Fallout collection. No, that wouldn't work because it's kind of like on a shelf, so it's a little high up, and then I won't have access to the controller. But definitely it's going to be on my desk, and it's something that it won't be tipping around or falling around. So yeah, wow, this is actually very well built. There's no blemishes or defects that I can see. Well worth the buy. I don't see a way that you can route the USB cord, so even if I used the USB cord that comes included with it, it doesn't have like a routing channel where you could just kind of like plug the USB cord on top. So I won't be using that. I kind of wish I had a yellow controller now, or at least some like yellow joysticks. What do you guys think? Should I modify this controller to fit the Fallout theme a little more? you know, let me know in the comments below. Maybe that's going to be a future video. Yeah, because this is all kind of blue, and maybe if the controller were yellow or if the buttons are yellow, let me know what you guys think. So that's going to be all for today. But like I said, stick around. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the all of my Fallout collectibles, and hopefully you like those. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I will be releasing, hopefully very soon, a Fallout 76 review, just a very quick review. Go ahead and like this video if you like videos like this. If you like any of my other videos, go ahead and comment below. And if you have any ideas for any future videos, also leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time.